Hello kids, today I will tell you the story of a happy dog, Max. Once upon a time, there was a happy dog named Max. Max had a shiny, golden coat and a wagging tail that never stopped. He loved to run in the park, play fetch with his favorite red ball, and make new friends. Every day, Max would greet his family with joyful barks and sloppy kisses. His favorite time was cuddle time, when he would snuggle up close and fall asleep, dreaming of new adventures. Max was a very happy dog because he was loved and loved everyone in return.